Good day, everyone. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who has supported me during my tough times. Your support and understanding have meant everything to me. I was so grateful for the friendship that we had. I have made these years who have been there for me. Always there for me. Lalo na sa mga kaibigan ko. Thank you for being such an important part of my life. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all your birthday greetings. I was overwhelmed by all the attention I received for my birthday. Nag-effort talaga kayo, no? But, you know guys, this has been a birthday to remember. I just wanted to say a big thanks for everything that you've done to me. Your support and encouragement, you have been a huge difference in my life. Isa kayo sa nagbigay ng malaking kaibahan sa buhay ko. Because I know you inside these emo apps. Iba yung nasa outside world. And I really appreciate it more than words can express. Thank you for your constant support and just everything you can do. I can express what it means to me. Sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. Only that I'm so grateful to have you guys in my life. Hindi man tayo nagkikita maliban sa isang tao na malapit lang pala dito sa akin. Siya yung pinakaunang taong nakita ko sa loob ng apps na to. And masaya ako. Thankful ako doon. Sa mga kaibigan ko, Simple Girl, aka Mary Ann, thank you, Beb. Minsan, hindi man tayo nagkakaintindihan. Minsan, magtagpo man yung mga ano natin, yung mga ego natin. But hindi yun hadlang na isang sorry lang. Tapos na. Okay na. Thank you. Ikaw yung isa. Ikaw yung isa na parang ikaw yung bumuo ng part ng buhay ko as kaibigan. Yung connection na meron tayo. Thank you. Kasi kahit alam mo na minsan mapanakit ka, girl. Minsan. Pero it doesn't matter. Kasi totoo ka. Thank you. Isa din ikaw na bumuo sa buhay ko. In 14 years in existing in this world. BBQ ko. Thank you, babe. Kahit may misunderstanding tayo ng nakaraang mga buwan, pero nandyan pa rin kayo. Thank you. Dudong Gonzales, thank you Dong. Sa tawa. Sa target lock mo, thank you. Sa prank mo, thank you. Sa chicken mango, sa pang-uurat mo mango, thank you. Ang manok ng bayan, sabi nga, diba? Thank you. Kay BFF, guni-guni. Thank you, BFF. Ikaw yung unang bumati sa akin kasi sabi mo baka hindi ka magkaroon ng signal. Thank you, BFF. I really appreciate ko lahat. Sa mga admins ng Loyal Friends Forever, Frances, Baby Killer Heart, Dudong Judy, Baby Azea, sa mga bago kong kaibigan. Thank you guys sa tawa na binigay niyo. Yung hindi matutubasan ng anumang salita. Yung relationship na meron tayo. Sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Sabi ko nga, ayoko umiyak. Nandito ako sa office, oh. Pero guys, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you. Masaya ako. Uy, hindi ko pinapahid yung luha ko sa likod ko, ah. Luha lang yun. Walang sipon yun. Hindi ka tulad ni BBSJ. Pero thank you, guys. Sa lahat na nandito, kina Jason, kina Aya, Baby Katie, Baby Panda, kay Baste, sa lahat na naging party ng buhay ko sa loob ng apps na to. Thank you guys. Baby Jillian, sorry. Kalimutan ko tuloy. Si Baby Jillian yung pinakamatagal kong naging kaibigan sa loob ng apps na to. Mula sa live room at saka dito sa VR. Thank you, babe. Kasi andyan ka pa rin. Nananatili ka pa rin. I am deeply thankful and blessed for the special, unique, and amazing people in my life who support me, uplift me, comfort me, and bring joy to my soul as they share a piece of their own in the precise of magical moment it needed to happen. Maybe being truly your loves. Hindi ko man ma-express lahat, hindi ko man masabi lahat. Thank you guys, thank you. I am not perfect, but I am a true friend to all of you. Sa mga bago kong kakilala, Baby Scarlett, kababayan ko lang, Baby Milkshake, Baby Emery, Baby Michelle, kay Chun-Li, Nicolas, lahat, thank you. Sa lahat ng mga nakakilala sa akin, thank you guys. At nakisalo kayo kahit walang kainan to guys, ha. Thank you for everything. You're all one of a kind person na nakilala ko kayo dito sa loob ng apps na to. I love you guys and thank you for everything. God bless us all.